All right, we are on page 17. This is lesson 2 in chapter 1, complex fractions and unit rates. So we talked during lesson 1 about a unit rate being how much for 1. This is the same concept, except if you look at page 18, your definition for complex fractions is a fraction within a fraction. So now we're dealing with unit rate problems that will have a fraction in them. So if you look at number 1, this is 1/4 divided by 2. And if you want to do this by hand, just remember it's keep, change, flip. Otherwise, plug that into your calculator, 1/4 divided by 2, and you would get 1/8. Oops, sorry about that. You get 1/8. All right, if you look at number 2, this is 1 divided by 1/2. Again, keep, change, flip, or plug it into your calculator, and you should get 2. If you look at letter A, the bottom there, look for the longer bar. That's your division bar. So I have it circled in letter A there. That means that's your division bar. So 2 divided by 2/3, that's going to give you 3. In B, you have 6 divided by 1/3. So if you plug that into your calculator, it's the same as 6 times 3/1, which is 18. Okay? If you turn the page to page 19, you have some word problems there. Again, remember, you want to look for the key words to tell you how to set up your problem. So in example 3 there, Josiah can jog 1 1/3 miles in 1/4 of an hour. Find his average speed in miles per hour. So you want to do your miles divided by your hours. So 1 1/3 divided by 1/4, and that would give you 5 1/3. In example 4, Tia is painting her house. She paints 34 1/2 square feet in 3/4 hour. At this rate, how many square feet she can paint each hour? So square feet per hour. So there's your square feet divided by your hours. Again, you can plug that into your calculator, and you should get 46 square feet per hour. So if you look at letter E, Mr. Ito is spreading mulch in his yard. He spreads 4 2/3 square yards in 2 hours. How many square yards can he mulch per hour? So mulch per hour. So the mulch was 4 2/3. Per means to divide, and your hours is 2. So go ahead and divide that out. So 4 2/3 divided by 2 is going to give you 2 1/3. And that's square yards per hour. All right, and the last part of this lesson, if you look at the next page, example 5, they're giving you a percent. This one's 33.5%. They're asking you to write it as a fraction in simplest form. Remember, percents are always out of 100. So you would take your percent, 33 1/3, divided by 100. Again, you can put that in the calculator, and you would get 1/3.